Hello students. Today in this session we will work on third lab exercise which we have, right? The third lab exercise is adding machine. So the third lab exercise is adding machine. Okay. So what he has asked is write a Python program to create an adding machine that will keep on asking the user for numbers and add them together and show the total after each. When it should be terminated? Terminate when user enters a zero, right? So this is how it should be written. Okay. Now we'll see how actually we have to write the code, Python code for this exercise. Okay, we'll move on to PyCharm. Okay, I will close the output window. This was the previous program which we discussed. Okay, so I will take one more file, new file, Python file. Okay, I will give the name as part A followed by the number, third program, BCA underscore lab. Okay, this is the third program from part A in BCA degree, right? So here it is very easy, very simple. So what he has asked is it should the user should uh, insert the numbers. Okay, so if the user insert the numbers, it should add. Okay, it should add till the user input the numbers. Okay, so whenever he terminates, it should add all the numbers which the user has given as an input, then show the result. If the user gives 0 as an input, the program should terminate. Okay, we will see how actually it is written. Okay, so initially we will we will see. So this is Python programming lab exercise 3. Okay, part A, right? So initially I will take as I need to we need to display total at the end. So initially I will make total. I will take a variable total. I will make it to 0. Okay. After this, as every time it should ask the user to input to a number, I will use while. Okay. I will use while true. I will take while true means infinitely it will be asking or infinitely it will be executing the statements one by till some condition is satisfied. So while true num equal to will take int. I'm converting, and I'm need to take input from the user. So I will take input method followed by double quote. I will give a statement to tell the user to input a value. Enter number to add to the add machine. So this is a statement. You can change the statement anyways. Okay. So next, what he has asked is every time a user enters a number, it should be added together. Okay, so we need to take total equal to total plus num, right? So initially total is 0, then whatever the user input as a number, it will be added with the total, and the again it is assigned to the total variable on the left hand side. Okay, then you can print the total. So with the help of print command, total is, right, comma separator and total, right? Then he has asked in the question one more thing. Whenever the user enters 0, so it should ask the user to continue or end this. Okay, so I will take a variable as s, okay, equal to int input followed by input function. Within double quotes, I will ask the user, do you want to continue? So please press 1 or press 0. Okay, so if you want to continue, press 1. If he wants to continue, 0. If we want to exit, he needs to enter 0. Okay, so I need to give the if condition for this. If yes double equal to 0, then print thank you for using add machine. Then come out, use break. Okay, when you use break, it will break from the flow of statements. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, so it is taking input from the user. So every time user enters a number, it will be adding with the previous number, and whenever he presses 0, and it prints the total. Okay, whenever the user wants to come out of the this add machine, he needs to press 0. So we will see does it this program what we have written is working or not. Right click, run the program. Okay, it is giving error. Okay, so I need to give colon here. Okay, so again right click. So please don't miss colon. Okay, see now it is working. Okay, so it is asking for the number, right? So you can give any number you want. Okay, so initially I will give 10. Okay, so the total is added, so and it is being displayed. Okay, so 10, and it is adding with the total previous value is 0, so it is displaying 10. If I want to continue, yes, I need to continue. So again, it will ask, I will give 20. Okay. Now it should be 30. Yes, it is adding the total, right? So our program is working. So previous total was 10. Now the input what I have given is 20. So it is giving 30. Again, I will give 1. So I will give 20. Okay, again I will give 20. So now the total is 50. So 30 plus 20 is 50. Now I want to come out. Okay, I will press enter and 0 and enter. Thank you for using add machine. So it is displaying the message what we have given. So it is working fine. So whenever the user is entering a value, it is being added to the add machine and displaying the total. Whenever the user want to come out, he needs to press 0. Then it will give a message, thank you message, and it will come out. Okay, so this is the third program which you have in Python programming lab. Okay, so please work on this. It is really very small and we have used while for this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we will meet in the next session with one more program about Python programming lab. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you.